Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to custom repaint the X-Men 97 Magneto Marvel Legends action figure. So here's the cape, here's the body, front and back. And then here's the pair of head sculpts. One with the angry face, one with the neutral angry face. And then there's two hands, okay, two alternate hands. Okay, first step, for the comic book paint style, we will apply clear primer. Then next we will add shadows. Next, highlights layer 1, highlights layer 2, and then we proceed with the line art. In here, in this process, we apply transition lines, cross hatching, and feathering lines. We are going to use a brush and black water-based acrylics, and this one, Pilot Twin Marker. Pilot Twin Marker has two tips, the fine and the extra fine. We are going to use the extra fine for finer line details. And then last step, we are going to apply one layer of top coat. Okay, let's start with the suit. So for the suit, yung shadows na i-apply natin, combination of navy blue and intense violet. For the highlights layer 1, we are going to use pink and intense violet. For highlights layer 2, we are going to use ultra white and pink. Nag-add na rin pala ako ng dark Prussian blue dun sa mix. So ito yung mix ng natin shadows. Try natin dito sa kanyang body. Actually, nag-try na ako dito sa likod. Tapos okay naman yung rehistro ng darks natin. Gusto ko kasi malakas yung contrast eh. Mas vibrant kapag nag-add ako ng ibang color versus dun sa base color tapos black lang to add shadows. Well, pwede rin naman yun if you want more neutral shadows. Pero ito gusto ko ibang hue ng shadows. So let's add some blue and purple para mas vibrant siya. So mag-add tayo dito sa mga ridges ng kanyang suit. Sa may abs, yan, sa may chest, dito, sa may ribs. Yan. So yung guide natin dito, yun yung pinakamalalim na sculpt. Doon tayo mag-add ng mga shadows. Okay, doon na tayo mag-apply ng shadows. Next, we are going to apply magenta for the first layer of highlights. So, yung mga highlights i-apply natin sa mga areas na nakaangat. Okay, so dito sa mga muscle groups, and dito sa side, dito sa kanyang biceps. Okay. Para sa second layer of highlight, mag-apply tayo ng pink naman. Okay, para mas malakas yung contrast. So ito na yung status, ito na yung front and back, side. Okay, okay, try natin yung contrast dito sa chest. Okay naman. Okay, so apply natin sa stomach section, sa ribs. Ayan. After ng second layer of highlights, pwede na tayo mag-apply ng line art. So for the line art, ito yung gagamitin natin, PH 179 black water-based primer. It's a black acrylic paint, water-based acrylics mixed with water. Tapos pwede na tayo mag-apply ng line art. So sa pag-add ng line art, dun sa pinaka malalalim na areas tayo mag-start. So dito, so usually kung saan nagbi-meet yung dalawang muscle groups, yan, dyan tayo pwede mag-apply ng mga black na line art. Okay, so we can apply transition lines, mga feathering lines, cross hatching. Okay, you can also add finer line art details using Pilot Twin Markers. Pwede tayo mag-add dito sa kanyang stomach, sa legs. Okay, mga transition lines para mas ma-emphasize yung pagiging comic book finish niya. Okay. Alright, we are done mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. We are done with the Magneto X-Men 97 project, custom repaint project natin. So here's the cape. And so same process lang ng ginawa ko sa suit. Same process on every single thing, on every single part, sa head, sa shoulders, sa arms, dito sa cape, and dito sa alt head niya. Yan. So, recap lang natin. Ito yung process. Para sa comic book paint style, we are going to apply clear primer, add shadows, add highlights layer 1, add highlights layer 2. Tapos, line art, pwede natin dito ilagay yung mga transition lines, cross hatching, and feathering lines. And then yung last step, top coat. Actually, hindi ko pa ito nalalagyan ng top coat, pero ito na yung final look niya bago ko lagyan ng top coat. Wala namang magbabago sa appearance kapag nilagyan ng ng top coat. So after nitong recording ng video, i-sprayan ko na to ng Bosny flat clear. Yun yung top coat na ginagamit ko para mas maprotektahan yung paint job na ginawa natin. Okay, so yan, mas close up. Para dun sa mga finer lines, gumamit ako ng Pilot Twin Marker. Ito yun, Pilot Twin Marker. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!